Hello, it's December 6th and it's another beautiful white day. Only today's about 20 degrees, feels like 10 or colder. I'm on Donner. We're going to probably go for a quick little run. He's ready to go. There we go. Again, riding one-handed. That's what I do best. Oh boy. Yeah! Oh, got some bucks. Figured that was coming. He was full today. Donner! Boy. Coming up to the hayfield. Sorry. This is what a trout feels like on bareback. Make everybody sick. Some nice footage. It's such a pretty sunny day with the snow. Here's our shadow. Riding bareback. It's too cold to ride in the saddle. So here we are. Alright, I'm gonna sign off. I'm probably gonna need some hands. Donner really likes this open field. So have fun. Be glad you're not feeling this cold.